Loads of people just use TikTok for fun or to get their 5 minutes of fame. However, there are loads of ways to make money on TikTok, and in this video we are going to show you how. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we'll bring you new videos to help you make money. In this video we'll tell you how to make money using TikTok. It's possible, but it depends on the number of followers. More followers mean more money. Popular TikTok stars like Addison Rae make over $5 million, and Charli D'Amelio make $4 million using TikTok alone. So basically, what is TikTok? TikTok is a popular video sharing app that lets anyone record videos, add effects and upload straight from their TikTok app. Most of the users on TikTok are teenagers, although more and more people in their 20s and 30s or even older are making videos and getting a great audience from making funny, topical, lifestyle, voiceover, etc. types of videos. And lots of people have become online sensations very quickly after getting their videos to go viral on TikTok and other social networks. TikTok is available to download from Play Store and App Store. After you download the app, you can start creating videos and share them with the world. So how can you earn money from TikTok? Unlike other video sharing platforms like YouTube, TikTok doesn't offer ad revenue to the content creators on the platform. Many people use TikTok just for fun and don't really have any idea that it is possible to earn good money from this site. With the popularity of TikTok, many brands are actively looking for influencers on the site, which means there is a possibility to make money. Top TikTok influencers are making millions of dollars using the platform. They make the majority of their money through brand endorsements or selling their own merchandise and products to their TikTok audience. There are loads of ways to make money using the video sharing app. So how do you make money on TikTok? First, you will need a good amount of followers. In short, what you have to do is post funny, entertaining or life-changing content regularly on your account. Follow the latest trends. Look at what kind of videos are going viral and what other TikTok stars are doing. Have patience. Getting followers will not happen overnight. Once you have a solid following, at least 5,000, then the possibilities to monetize these followers are endless. Here are some of the best ways to make money on TikTok. Cross-promotion and shout-outs. This is one of the easiest and foolproof ways to make money from TikTok. If you have thousands or millions of fans on TikTok, then you can easily earn money from TikTok by promoting other channels. Suppose you have 100,000 fans on the site, then other content creators with a small following will reach out to you for promotion and collaboration. You can charge them for this service depending on how many fans you have. Brand deals. When you have a good number of followers on TikTok, at least 10,000, then you will be eligible for brand deals. If you have gone viral recently, chances are that some of the brands will have already noticed your popularity. So many brands will contact you for a deal where you will be able to promote their products. Better than waiting for brands to follow you and contact you for promotion, you can contact the brands and make them an offer. Affiliate marketing. When you have a loyal fan base, you can recommend them different products and ask them to buy. Using your link when somebody buys, you will get a small commission from the affiliate. Check out our previous videos on affiliate marketing. So if you have around 100,000 fans and even 1% buys the product, and let's assume the commission for each sale is $10, you could earn upwards of $10,000. Brand deals make you only a fixed price, but with affiliate marketing, earnings potential depends on how many fans you have, and you can then scale your earnings. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money by using TikTok. Selling products and merchandise. You can make your own products and sell to your fans. You will keep 100% of the sale, which was not possible with affiliate marketing. However, you do have to pay for handling the stuff like packaging products, shipping, and of course customer care. Or you could take less of a percentage and use sites like Redbubble to sell your products through. They take a larger percentage, but you don't have to touch your products at all. Social media and TikTok. You can ask your fans to follow you on social media like Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. Once you have more followers and likes on these platforms, you can monetize them with brand deals and sponsored posts. YouTube and TikTok. You can drive your TikTok audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel and start making content for YouTube. Then, once you start getting more views, you can monetize it with Google Ads, sponsored deals and so on. Blogging and TikTok. You can start a blog and write content on it and ask your fans to visit the site to read interesting articles. Then you can use ads, affiliate links in the blogs to monetize your TikTok audience. These are just some of the best ways to make money on TikTok. The amount of money you'll make using this platform depends on how many followers you have. The more people you can reach, the more opportunities you will have. We recommend you start monetizing your TikTok account once you have at least 5,000 to 10,000 followers. And also make sure to keep posting entertaining videos on a daily basis. But don't spam your TikTok account with lots of advertising or endorsements. What works best is to do advertisements or brand endorsements once a week, which most of your followers won't mind because of the daily entertaining content that you deliver. Let us know how you get on by leaving a comment below. That's it for today's video.